Things are about to get good.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Venice, California, weighing in at 175 pounds, the Brian Kendrick!
This is a match that folks have been clamoring for, and they are excited to finally get it.
This match has everyone backstage buzzing. He is an exciting competitor to watch.
He's here to save the day!
And his opponent, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane!
Not to be taken lightly.
Better be careful, Saxton. You might be mistaken for a supervillain. They could call you Chrome Dome.
What's up with that?
Does this guy really think he's a superhero?
Of course he does, Michael, but more importantly, the WWE Universe believes in him. And so do I.
And the Hurricane considers himself a real-life superhero, here to fight for what's right. According to him, evildoers in WWE should beware.
You have to respect the Hurricane for standing up for what he believes in. Even when he's the underdog in the ring, which is most of the time, he fights with everything he's got and gives 100%.
Good thing he has superpowers, right? The odds are often against him, but the Hurricane always keeps his spirits high.
But he's going to be facing one superstar who's always evolving. He told me earlier that he's looking to showcase some new moves in this match tonight.
He got whipped into that corner.
No escape from these punches. Turnbuckle drop kick.
Perhaps one of the most eccentric superstars in WWE, the Hurricane has racked up some impressive victories. What?
Sky high. Splash! Oh, saw it coming and got an elbow for their trouble.
Oh! And Hurricane is showcasing his arsenal.
Yeah, impressive offense from the Hurricane. He just barely dodges.
Look at this. Boom. Nice.
Vicious right forearm.
Flip. He is truly feeling it right now. As well he should.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
From the top. Elbow drop.
Off into the pin.
There's two.
No, he kicks out at 2.5.
Scary close.
Somersault plancha to the floor. Pinpoint precision, right on target.
Pow, what a shot.
He's absorbed some damage already.
Bam.
Super kick. He gets back into the ring.
Let him have this moment. He's earned it.
Sight set on the top rope.
From the top.
That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder.
Uh-oh, this is just vicious.
No, that'll break his arm.
Vicious.
And the Hurricane can't stop any offense coming his way.
Helm's being worn down. Looks like this guy was able to weather the Hurricane. How's that for a pun, Saxton? Spectacular counter into a dragon screw.
From the apron.
Whoa, look out.
No. Oh, God! I think there's going to be some second guessing about trying that move again.
Uh-oh! Brash decision-making there proved to be extremely detrimental.
Can you recover from such an error? You have to wonder.
And Hurricane fends him off.
Straight jacket locked in. Boom! German suplex.
Super kick finds the mark.
The Hurricane rising up top.
He's heading back to the ring. Big flying forearm.
He's on his heels a bit now.
Not a bad place to be in, but the longer this goes, the more trouble a superstar exposes themselves to.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
I love this one. Slice bread.
The Hurricane's chances are fading.
2 count. 3. No. 2 count.
He may not be the biggest superstar, but the Hurricane proving he's got the biggest heart.
When your opponent can hang after all that, you're wondering if earning a win might just be impossible.
Now that is what you call super heroic. Uh-oh. Going for the run. Choke slam.
Hurricane has this wrapped up.
Up the turnbuckles.
What's he gonna do?
To the sky.
Whoa. Cross body.
These men have shown no indication of staying down.
Their guts, their fire won't.
Hurricane setting him up. For the Vertebreaker.
Big opening for Hurricane to take this.
2. And the Hurricane picks up the win. Now let's take another look at these guys in action.
Here is your winner, the Hurricane.
And the Hurricane stands tall after this victory.
Talk about a comic book ending. Good triumphs over evil.
You're almost as delusional as the Hurricane himself, Saxton.